Today, we're going to explore 5 amazing facts about black holes. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe, and they have captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike. How much do we really know about these cosmic phenomena? Thank you for watching, and let's find out. Number 5. Not a regular hole. Black holes are not a typical hole that we are used to. As strange as it may sound, black holes can be described as a spherical hole. This means that you can fall into them from any direction. They are extremely dense regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are called black holes because they appear black against the background of space, since no light can reflect off them or reach us from inside them. However, black holes are not empty voids. They contain a huge amount of matter compressed into a very small volume, creating what's known as a singularity at their core. Number 4. Drastic differences. There are different types and sizes of black holes. The most common type of black hole is a stellar black hole, which forms when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. Stellar black holes can have masses that range from 10 to 100 times that of our Sun, and diameters of around 40 kilometers, or 26 miles. The largest type of black hole is a supermassive black hole, which lies at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Supermassive black holes can have masses millions or billions of times that of our Sun, and diameters of millions of kilometers. There is also a theorized type of black hole called a primordial black hole, which could have formed in the early universe from density fluctuations. Primordial black holes could have masses ranging from a fraction of a gram to thousands of tons, and diameters from a fraction of a nanometer to a few meters. Number 3. Black holes can grow. These stunning objects can grow by eating matter and merging with other black holes. When a black hole encounters a star, a planet, or another black hole, it can capture the object and add its mass to its own. This process is called accretion, and it creates a disk of hot gas and debris around the black hole, called an accretion disk. As the matter in the accretion disk spirals inward, it releases a lot of energy in the form of radiation, making the black hole visible to telescopes. Sometimes 2 black holes can orbit each other and eventually merge, creating a bigger black hole and sending out powerful gravitational waves that ripple through space and time. Number 2. Warping space and time. Black holes can warp space and time around them. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not a force, but a consequence of the curvature of space and time by mass and energy. Black holes have such extreme gravity that they bend space and time to the extreme, creating some strange effects. For example, if you were to orbit a black hole, you would experience a phenomenon called gravitational time dilation, which means that time would pass slower for you than for someone far away from the black hole. This is because the closer you are to the black hole, the stronger the gravitational field, and the slower the clock ticks. If you have ever seen the movie Interstellar, it did a fantastic job at showing time dilation. Another effect is gravitational lensing, which means that the light from distant objects is bent by the black hole's gravity, creating distorted or multiple images of objects. Number 1. Not immortal. Black holes are not eternal. They can evaporate over time. This may sound surprising, since nothing can escape from a black hole, but it is a consequence of quantum mechanics, the theory that describes the behavior of subatomic particles. A According to quantum mechanics, empty space is not really empty, but full of virtual particles that pop in and out of existence in pairs. Normally, these particles annihilate each other and disappear, but near the event horizon of a black hole, the point of no return, something else can happen. One of the particles can fall into the black hole, while the other can escape to infinity. This process is called Hawking radiation, named after the physicist Stephen Hawking, who predicted it. Hawking radiation reduces the mass and energy of the black hole, making it shrink and evaporate over time. However, this process is very slow for large black holes, and it would take longer than the age of the universe for them to evaporate completely. So there you have it, 5 amazing facts about black holes. These objects never cease to amaze me, and they still have so much mystery behind them. I wonder if scientists will one day uncover some of the big mysteries about black holes, like what lies inside them. Could they lead somewhere else in space? Or could they ever be utilized by humans? For now, I look forward to making more videos about them in the future. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, feel free to show your support with a thumbs up or by sharing this video with someone else who may enjoy it. I would also love to hear your thoughts about these incredible objects in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and be well.